to stay active, to stay ahead of health. I know when I was a little bit younger, you don't think about that as much. I think now I'm 50 years old, it's a priority for me, and with our staff, I encourage all of them for annual checkups. Listen, if you can stay ahead of things, you can treat things. When you get behind, it's no different than getting behind in a game. You're playing behind the 8 ball. Well, if you can stay ahead of things, it gives you an opportunity to treat them, to navigate them.
Find the right primary care doctor. You know, Wellstar has a great lineup of primary care doctors. You know, somebody that meshes with you. I mean, they're going to be great professionals, but you want to make sure that from a relationship standpoint, you can build that relationship with your doctor so you can feel comfortable to have some of those tough conversations that sometimes as men it's tough to have. But I feel comfortable with my primary care doctor at Wellstar, and he's made it a lot easier, you know, to manage my personal health because of the type of relationship we've been able to establish.
I just think it's important simply because, again, when you talk about family, when you talk about the different stresses that, you know, life can bring us, you never know what effect it has on your body. So just to get checked, just to know your stats, I think it's very important.
Prevention is the key to better health, and the earlier we detect a problem, the easier it is to treat and less treatment that you need. One of the things that we check for in men on a regular basis starting at age 50 is what's called a PSA blood test, which stands for prostate-specific antigen. It's a screening test that we use for detecting prostate cancer, and when it's elevated, that means that that man may have a higher risk of having prostate cancer. In patients that have higher risk of having prostate cancer, such as African American men or men that have a family history, we recommend at age 45, and if they have both those risk factors, we actually start recommending at age 40 for them to check their PSAs yearly.
Hey man, know your stats.
Know your stats.
I know my stats. Do you know yours?
Do you?
Know your stats so you can stay in the game.
So you can stay in the game.